Last week, I shared a detox fat burning drink on the channel, and the video was well received. So, in line to improving our physical selves, this week, I'm sharing a detox salad with you. Welcome to my channel. I'm Heather, a 50-year-old woman on a journey to improve my physical, mental, and spiritual health. I just come in from covering the 6,000 steps or 3 miles, so let me get out of these clothes and get started. So I have the ingredients gathered: parsley, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, kale, carrots, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, and almonds. So what you want to do is to chop all of the ingredients finely and mix them together in a large bowl. Now, a food processor can help you to get the job done, but I don't have a food processor, so I'm using a vegetable shredder. Now, if you don't have a food processor or a shredder, simply use a knife to get the job done. The vegetable slicer wasn't cutting the carrots fine enough, so I've decided to use my knife and get the pieces chopped. I'm gonna use a knife now to just finely chop all of the other ingredients. And they're all mixed together. In the mix is 1 cup of kale, 1 cup of broccoli, 5 Brussels sprouts, half a small red cabbage, 1 large carrot, 3 tigs of parsley, and 2 cups of cooked quinoa. Next, I'm gonna add the almonds and sunflower seeds. Now, I don't want the almonds whole, so I'm gonna crumble them between a towel. So I added 1/4 cup of crushed almonds. Now I'm adding the same 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. Look at all these colors. You can just imagine the nutrients that are packed in. Now, while this sits aside, I'm gonna make the dressing. For the dressing, I'm using 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half of a lemon, 3 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of honey. If you don't have honey, you can use maple syrup. And there you have it, the detox salad. This salad can be had for lunch or dinner. For this week, I'm going to be having it for lunch. I'm off sugar for this month of January. So instead of the dressing, I'm going to be eating the salad with hummus. And to get some protein in, I'm going to have it with beans or tofu. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be giving this salad a try. And if you like the video, go ahead and click like. And if you're joining me on this journey, go ahead and subscribe. And make sure to come back for another healthy life tip. See you in the next one.